Yes. Start 2025 with a Keno winner. Play with AI Keno numbers and AI Keno strategies. Watch the end of this video for the best Keno numbers. Subscribe and beat the casino algorithm in 2025. Let's go on to our first 10 spot already in progress.
Yes, we got lucky and caught the end of this 7 out of 10. Make a note and win with these AI Keno numbers. We play a lot of 5, 6, and 7 spot Keno, but today's 10 spots will help us play longer at the casino. Let's go see yet another winning 10 spot.
Listen up. Ever get a bonus completed with Cleopatra Keno? Yes, Keno is a game of chance. As a longtime Keno player, I've learned to wait for it. Subscribe for more Keno strategies like the one at the end of this bonus round. Let's go on to our next 10 spot and remember, wait for it.
All right, I'm going to let this bonus round play out. Then, at the end, you tell us what you think. Be sure and write these Keno numbers down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yes, it was an 8 out of 10 that got us into the bonus. What are you waiting for? Write these Keno numbers down. Yes, the strategy is simple. Play these AI Keno numbers and be a winner at Keno. Let's go on to our next 10 spot.
Yes. Happy New Year. 2025 is right around the corner. Subscribe and beat the Keno algorithm in 2025. Play with AI Keno numbers and AI Keno strategies. Let's go to our last 10 spot and oh, don't forget, wait for it.
Okay, here we go. The bet is at max. The coin is at 5. Yes, we have used this 10 spot for a couple of years now. Let's watch. Five out of 10. Cool. Hey, got these Keno numbers written down yet? Last play coming up. $60 credits for the bonus round. Wait for it. Yes, 8 of 10 got us into this bonus. Total 1,810 credits. Yes, if you are not having fun at Keno, you are not using AI Keno numbers. Subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers. Oh, and also, beginners.
Yes, beginners watch another video. These 2 videos will have more free Keno numbers, free AI strategies, and current AI Keno tips and tricks. Thank you, and good luck!